This video will walk through how to configure AutoScaler to save money on a specific AutoScaled EC2 cluster. So this was the state we were in right after we went through the sign-up process. We can see that there's quite a few AutoScaled EC2s, a few stateful EC2s just running individual EC2s, all of them running on demand, spread across these different instance types. So the quickest and easiest way to start saving some money here is to tackle these AutoScaled EC2s. So we're going to go here. We don't have any set up right now, so we're going to add a new. So first thing you do is select what region, and then you pick which AutoScale group we want to tackle first. I'm going to go for this one. Now it pulls these in by default, but I'm going to add some other instance types. This gives the algorithm more spot markets to choose from and some more availability zones. Here's where you specify what percentage of spot you want this cluster to use. You can take the defaults or change them to fit your particular needs. Here we have it set at 85% of the cluster will be in spot, but no more than 20% will ever be in a single spot market, which is an instance type availability zone combination. Now you set what kind of spare capacity you want to keep. A good rule of thumb is whatever your maximum in a specific spot market limit is, over provisioned by that same amount. So even in the worst case, you lost an entire spot market, you're still not going to be over 100% utilization. And let's give it a little easier name for the UI. Let's call it ASG1. That's it. So now AutoScaler will start analyzing this application and switching what is possible over to spot, and we'll see some cost savings coming in shortly. So if you do infrastructure as code and you're using either CloudFormation or Terraform, you can do the same process without going through the GUI by following the instructions in these two sections. You basically add this type of code into your CloudFormation template, and then it will automatically set itself up with AutoScaler as it's built. Same with Terraform. So now we can see we have our first AutoScale group set up here. So after waiting a few minutes, we'll start to see some realized savings come in as it replaces some of those instances in that AutoScale group with spot instances.